to delete Instagram account permanently. To start the account deletion process, begin by opening the Instagram application on either your iPhone or Android device. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the app. Once you're on your profile page, access the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines situated at the top right corner. In the menu that appears, proceed to Settings and Privacy. Within Settings and Privacy, the first step is to tap on Account Center. Within the Account Center, scroll down to Account Settings and choose Personal Details. Here, you'll find an option titled Accounts Ownership and Control. Tapping on this will lead you to the Deactivation or Deletion section. Here, you'll select the Instagram account you wish to delete. Navigate to the bottom of the page and choose the Delete Account option. It's crucial to remember that this action will erase all content associated with your account, including photos, videos, likes, and all other activities. Upon selecting to delete your account, you'll be prompted to explain why you're choosing to leave Instagram. After providing a reason, you'll be asked to continue by entering your account's password to confirm your decision. Confirming this will permanently delete your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos.